Hi, today I'm going to show you a very interesting digital download wherein you will get 10,001 best collection of ultimate fonts. Now, these fonts can be used commercially. It's a massive collection with all the types of fonts which you can ever imagine. So, this is a great collection available on Etsy. I'll share the link of this digital download in the description box below. You can go and just check this listing, and it will be hardly less than 500 rupees. It's now at 20% discount, so it's a great offer. And I think anyone who wants to have all the fonts on their PC, I think this is the best option where you can purchase these wonderful font collections from Etsy. And the shop, which is by the name of Arnology, you can just go and check this out. The shop name, it has some wonderful designs as well. Arnology is the shop name, and from there you can select different types of bundles, which includes PPT bundle, mega bundle on SVG, stock photo collections. So you get a lot of good options. Also, you have options of buying various PPT templates, posters, and there are great number of wonderful collections on this shop. So you can go and purchase from these shops, and I hope you would love your experience of shopping from here.